estudiantes, yo soy Mr. Señor, and today I want to show you my Quizlet and how to access it. If you look here, my screen name is Mr. Senor38, spelled this way. You'll want to type that into the search bar, and then you will find here either your Spanish 3, Español 3, 2020, 2020, 2021, or Español 2, 2020, 2021. So you'll add yourself to those classes, and then I will have sets that are posted for your vocabulary. This is our first set. Here is how you use the flashcards. You'll click on flashcards. Mine is in Spanish, so just kind of follow along as you can, as best as you can. So here's the term. If I'm studying my flashcards, I'm going through and I'm quizzing myself. You can start off Spanish to English and then English to Spanish. You really want to be able to produce the Spanish. So English to Spanish is the best case scenario. So hi, how are you today? Let's say I knew this one. That's hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? I can double check by flipping the card. Great. So move on to the next one. What do you call yourself? If I don't know a term, I'll star it, reveal it. Oh yeah, it's como te llamas. And I go on to the next card, so on and so forth, starring the cards that I don't know. Then the next time that you study, when you get to the end, it's going to give you an opportunity to study the starred terms. So if you do that, your starred terms will come up and you can study just those, the ones that you have yet to memorize. Other ways that you can study are to use the learning function, where it'll quiz you. It'll create sort of a mini quiz. Or escribir, writing. You can practice your spelling. Or you can do where it will say the word for you and you spell it. This will make a quiz where you can see what you would score on a vocab quiz. And then there's games that you can play as well. It is so unbelievably important that you study your vocabulary until you have mastered it. There's nothing worse than coming to class and going, "Oh crap, I don't know the vocab that he's using." That's not okay. Be sure that you're getting on every day to study, even if it's just for 5 minutes. As the Duolingo owl would say, it's either Spanish or vanish. Thank you for your time, guys. Gracias por su tiempo, and I'll see you on the flip side.